Women are the real architects of society, said by Harriet Beecher. Don't we all just agree with Harriet? I mean, this statement pretty much sums up the importance of women in the society. Women have contributed an incredible amount of talent, knowledge, and discoveries in almost every field and made history. The female group of our society has the capability to bring around change. But unfortunately, not each and every woman gets a chance to prove this, and many of them do not get the proper credit and recognition that they deserve. Can you even believe that women could help find a whole new nation or create a piece of human anatomy? I mean, to give birth to a living being, but still land in the dust with no appreciation at all. There was a time when women had to fight for mere rights like the right to education or just the right to speak up for the injustice even within their family. Well, all this can literally start a debate right now. But the wave of change has started. And women are no longer remain the names of the household. That is why we celebrate Women's Day, the day when people around the world join hands to celebrate all the women in remarkable ways. So consider this as a tribute to the women who have blazed a trail towards the change and bring equality. You might come across some of the lesser known heroes out there. Mary Kom. Well, Mary Kom is an Indian Olympic boxer and mom to three. Well, her hard work and dedication helped her to be the only woman who became the world amateur boxing champion, and that too 6 times. And don't forget that she is the only boxer to win 8 world championship medals. Wow, isn't that too much to achieve for a single person? Geeta Fogart. Geeta Fogart is an Indian freestyle wrestler, and she is the first woman to bring home the first ever gold medal in wrestling at the Commonwealth Games 2010. But it wasn't a cakewalk for her at all. Captain Prem Mathur. You might not have heard this name, but this woman also has her contribution in history. Even after acquiring her commercial pilot's license, she was still turned down by 8 private airline companies because neither of them wanted a woman pilot. Finally, she passed all the legal requirements for the Deccan Airways and hence became the first woman pilot of India. Kalpana Chawla. I don't even need to mention her achievements because this name is a sheer example that women can do anything. This woman was an American Indian astronaut and the first Indian woman in space. She was amongst the 7 crew members who were killed in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, but she became an inspiration to many women in the world. Arunima Sinha. 32 years old Arunima Sinha has proved that disability is not an obstacle to success. She may have lost her leg in the horrifying incident few years ago, but nothing could stop Arunima from achieving her goal. Arunima has become the first woman amputee to have climbed Mount Vinson, the highest peak in Antarctica. She has been awarded with Padma Shri from our President Pranab Mukherjee. So these are some golden women who made it to our history books. Not only these, but there are many other women from India and other countries who have broken gender barriers and worked hard for their rights and made progress in the field of politics, arts, science, law, and so on. So appreciate all the women in your life because they are indeed special. This Women's Day, amaze her with amazing Women's Day gift and make her feel that way she should always feel. Let's celebrate Women's Day and give tribute to all the women on this earth. Happy International Women's Day to all of you.